Is going on, everybody? It's your boy Soulfly Trades here, back with another video. And in this video, of course, I just have to give you guys my weekly watch list just to say what I would look for if I take any trades this week. As of right now, I still will be taking a little break, but if I do trade, I'll trade lightly. And also I wanted to get this video out to you guys just to see the general idea what I'll be looking for, if I take any trades this upcoming week. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. So I have SPY up here first. Let's go to our weekly time frame. Looks like we've reached a nice area of confluence that we've broken above and kind of holding it now. So I'd be looking for calls on pullbacks, basically, since the market seems to be holding this very area. And as you can see, this wick here under this green buying candle said sellers came down, but just couldn't hold it. Buyers came right back in and bought it up. So yeah, I'll be looking for calls on pullback here. Let's go to this 4-hour again. As you guys can see, what I'll probably be looking for, maybe a pullback to this 456, hopefully to take it back up, at least to my first price target would be 458. And then I'd leave a runner to, these previous highs. If we seen that, if price action was presenting itself in that way. Let's break this down to our hourly. Yeah, as you guys can see, price keeps reacting to this 456 area. So I'll definitely be looking for calls here to take to, that 458-ish area. That'll be pretty valid for me. And then if we seen a push up to this 459, I'll most likely be looking for puts to take here, at least back down to it depends. Since we're very strong, I wouldn't look to hit no big home run play with puts. I'd only look for like a 1-to-1, at least plays that have a 1-to-1 ratio, so taking puts from 459 and selling it around 458.44, that's about $1 move right there. You can make a good amount of money on $1 move. But yeah, that's pretty much all for SPY. It's pretty self-explanatory on SPY. If you guys want to copy my levels, you go ahead and copy my levels. They, once again, are pretty valid. As you guys can see here, price reacts to my levels very well. It's just, like I said, it's all about executing from your key levels. It's not about even knowing how to draw in your levels. It's about knowing how to execute from your levels and controlling your emotions while you do so. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into some futures here. Okay. Alrighty, so we have ES right here and NQ on my left. ES on my left, NQ on my right. So it looks like everything is, like I said, we're in a sort of a mini bull run, I'd say. Keep making higher highs, higher lows, the whole 9 yards basically. Oh shit, I moved this, but this is still a key level right here. That's fine. But yeah, making higher highs, higher lows. So let me delete this. I don't like this level right there. I like this level. Yeah. But yeah, so what I'll be looking for on ES, I have my daily right here. Let's pull up the weekly. I just want you guys to see it's basically the same as how SPY was looking basically on our weekly time frame. So I want to, have calls on pullbacks. Go to our daily time frame. We're rejecting this 450s. The 4650 area, 50th, 4650 area. Holy shit. I cannot talk today. Fuck. Let's go down to this. What time frame we at? Daily. Let's go down to this 60-minute time frame. So yeah, definitely. I'll be taking plays from one of my key levels. Hopefully if we hit this key level, I'll be looking for puts unless we break above and retest. I'll need a break above and a retest for me to get into plays here. And hypothetically, if I was to get into a break and retest of those plays right there, let me see where I'd look to sell. I look to sell in this area right here. Give me 1 second while I draw this in for you guys. Yes, I'd look to sell around this 4700-ish area. That's, another big area of confluence right now. So I want to mark that green since I found it on my weekly time frame. Yeah, so definitely what I'll do if we break above here and retest, I'll be looking to take price to these next highs. But if we don't, I'll look to take the rejections at least to my next key level, trimming on the way down, of course, with a nice tight stop loss. Let's see what it looks like on the 15-minute. Yeah, basically, it looks like price wants to get up here because we're holding these EMAs. We dip below, then reclaim. It looks like price eventually might, it's like a magnet. Price is going to get here eventually, and we just need to see what price does at this key level. And we have NQ here on our right side. Let's go ahead here with NQ. It's pretty bullish. Same deal as ES and SPY. Let's move down to our weekly. Yes, we are bullish. I will look for calls on pullbacks. Giving price action. Let's go to our 60-minute. Yeah, I like pullbacks around this key area right here to see if buyers come back in. Then I'd look for calls at least right back up to these highs right here. That could at least, depending on contracts on NQ, you could get like 1,500 off that move. See what this 15-minute looks like. Yeah, definitely. I definitely want a reaction again around this area to determine whether I want to go in with calls or puts again on NQ. But as you guys can see, I want you to see how NQ and ES basically move the same. We're both on the 15-minute for NQ, 15-minute for ES, and they move relatively with the same price action. That's why I say as long as you learn price action, you can trade anything. Literally, it all applies the same logic. So, but yeah, other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. And if you guys want to copy my levels, you guys can go ahead and copy my levels. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. You guys have to do your own research and due diligence in the market. But yeah, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.